When T sounds like ch, all the ch word endings. English in color. So, ch word endings. Chur, churl, churly, chewel, chewery, chewate, chewis, chew. With examples. Chur, culture, picture, nature, future. Churl, cultural, natural, structural, textural. Churly, culturally, naturally, structurally, texturally. Chewel, mutual, actual, eventual, intellectual. Chewary, sanctuary, obituary, actuary, estuary. Chewate, situate, punctuate, fluctuate, perpetuate. Chewis, virtuous, tumultuous, sumptuous, fatuous. Chew, statue, virtue. Okay, let's read. A, E, I, O, U, Oi, ow, Okay. The intellectuals are culturally punctual. The intellectuals are culturally punctual. The statue will eventually fall in the future. The statue will eventually fall in the future. Take a picture of the natural features. Take a picture of the natural features. He gestured to the actual temperature. He gestured to the actual temperature.